My name is Doknya Abhishek, and today's topic is framework in Java. Java framework is the body or platform of pre-written code used by Java developers to the develop Java application or a web application. In other words, Java framework is a collection of predefined classes and functions that is used to process, input, manage hardware devices, increase the system software. It acts like a skeleton that helps to the developer to develop the application and return there the code. uh, Framework are the bodies that contain the pre-written code, classes and functions in which we can add our code to overcome the problem. We can also say that frameworks used to programmers code because the framework is in control of the programmer. We can use the framework by calling its method, inheritance and supplying callbacks. Listen the other implements of the observe pattern popular in Java framework. Some of the most popular Java frameworks are the some frameworks are first is a Spring, second Hibernate, third Grassling, and fourth Play. Java server faces Google Web Toolkit and Quarkers. Some Spring, it is lightweight, powerful Java application development framework. It is used to JEE. Its other module are Spring Secure, Spring MVC, Spring Batch, Spring ORM, Spring Boot, and Spring Cloud, etc. Next is Hibernate. Hibernate is ORM, means object relation mapping framework that allows us establish communication between Java programming language and the RDBMS, means relational database management system. Next is Grassling. It is a dynamic framework created by using the Groovy programming language. It is OOPS language. Its purpose is to enhance the productivity. The syntax of Grassling is matches with the Java, and the code is compiled to the JVM. It's also the Java JEE, Spring, and Hibernate play. It is unique Java framework and does not follow JEE standard of for the MVC architecture pattern. This is all about framework in Java. Thank you.